Hi Pisces, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do another love bite for you. A simple 9 card spread to see what's happening in your connection now and what's the most important message you need to hear today. Pisces, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind, okay? Take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Pisces and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Pisces, let's start your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Pisces, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So the cards I have on my table, Pisces, is the Sun card, 9 of Swords, 9 of Pentacles, the Hermit, the Death card, center of my spread. A huge transformation is coming your way because it's on the side of it. I have the 9 of Cups, wish fulfillment. All right, what is good? What's going to be? I don't know. 9 of Wands, the 5 of Cups, and the King of Cups. All right. So bottom of my deck, I have the World card in reverse. Something is unfinished, Pisces, or at least somebody doesn't want this chapter to shut down with you. So let's see. So whatever this transformation is going to be, I'm going to check on these cards later. These very interesting cards. Somebody is very stressed out, that's for sure, because they feel they know who their wish fulfillment is, but I think they're being blocked right now. Somebody's in deep sorrow, deep regret, looking at the past with a lot of sadness and realizing there's a lot of love here still. Okay, for this Queen of Pentacles person who's probably now doing very well on their own, not bothering about love anymore. So I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards, Pisces. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll do the clarification. So Pisces and their person spirit, they could say something to each other now. What would that be? Pisces and their person. All right. Thank you. Let's take a few from here, Pisces. Pisces and their person. Pisces and their person. And if any of you are looking for a personal reading, Pisces, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. And a couple more from here. Pisces and their person. Okay, good to go, Pisces. Let's start your reading. The first card I have here, Pisces, for you says, I hate that your rejection can still trigger a tendency for me to spiral out of control with unhealthy and addictive behaviors. So maybe this is this King of Cups who's probably drinking their way through their sorrow. Maybe this 9 of Pentacles person has said, all right, I'm good, I don't want you anymore. And even if it's energetic, they're feeling this vibe of being blocked, feeling totally like out in the cold, blocked, stressed out. So the person is saying, I hate it that your rejection can still trigger, a tendency for me to spiral out of control with unhealthy and addictive behaviors. Second card here says, don't come back to me if you haven't leveled up. I knew all along that you had the potential to run again, but the intensity of our connection and my curiosity about it is what kept me interested in you. My boundaries are stronger now, and your old mind games will no longer be tolerated. Isn't that just what I said here? Somebody's got their boundaries firmly in place now. Next card says, why is the best fruit always forbidden? Damn, I know that we shouldn't, but I just can't resist you. The magnetic pull is just too intense in your presence. I just can't stop myself. You are the owner of my heart, my feelings, my soul, my body. I belong to you. We are one. I love you. The thought of being with you one day is what gets me through today. When I miss you, I don't have to go far. I just have to look within my heart and my soul, because that's where you are. I want to hold you and never let go. I want to spend the rest of my life loving you. Somebody is in love here, Pisces, big time. And I think it's this King of Cups. I feel your energy and receive telepathy. I reach out and show you how much I care and offer you support. You read my messages and I feel you even more, but you stay silent. Your telepathy is a contradiction to the silence. I just simply can't understand this. If you love me, let me know and let it show. If you don't love me, please set me free and let me go. All right, so these were your messages, Pisces. If these were resonating with you, let's start your reading. Let's start with an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for you. A blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. You found it. I don't know who this is for, Pisces. Either somebody found their self-worth here. They've realized that I can be happy by myself. I can do things that can make me happy. I have to concentrate on my own well-being, self-respect, take back my power, take back control, and yes, learned a valuable lesson here. Or this could also be this King of Cups who's finally realized they have found the person of their dreams. Okay, so let's start clarifying and let's see what's going on. This is interesting. So the Sun in reverse with the Nine of Swords, Spirit. Who's so stressed out? Who's not happy here? Ooh, something ended here, Pisces. Yes, this King of Pentacles. This is this King of Cups who's feeling now totally unhappy, very, very ungrounded, not feeling happy at all, having sleepless nights, stress, tension, having nightmares because they feel this is over now. This is over because I think they may be seeing their person as this now, as a Nine of Pentacles person. Very unbothered, looking good, taking care of themselves, shining bright. This is the pre-Empress energy. So this is kind of really stressing this masculine out, and they are now feeling, oh my God, what happened here? I've lost my person. Oh, too many cards. Nine of Pentacles, Spirit. Nine of Pentacles. Nine of Pentacles. So yeah, somebody is now regretting it. They have a lot of regret, a lot of sorrow. This card has already come out in a 9-card spread, Pisces. This card is out here twice. Somebody in deep sorrow, deep regret, feeling guilty, feeling horrible, looking at their past and feeling a sense of remorse. What did I do? I spilled all the love to the ground. So the more I think this Nine of Pentacles person is blossoming, the more this person is getting their lessons now. Nine of Pentacles, you want to say something to us? Nine of Pentacles. Nine of Pentacles. Nine of Pentacles person says, all I wanted was somebody to make a choice. I wanted my emperor to be in their emperor mode, be that person who I could rely on, who would do the right thing, who I could respect, love, cherish forever and be happy with. That's all I wanted. And since that didn't happen, I've taken back power, taken back control, and I'm trying to find that happiness for myself, by myself. Yes, I can't be in this state forever. Always waiting for them, not sleeping at night, checking my phone. Why isn't there a text from them? Where are they? Do they love me? Don't they love me? I've released all this stress and tension, and since I've let go, I'm doing very, very well in my own life. I'm radiating happiness, wealth, abundance. Now somebody is feeling they made a very foolish mistake. Hermit in reverse. Yes, they made a very, very foolish mistake. Either they went off for a third party, could be somebody else, or it could also be that they feel they annoyed their person. They feel that person is very upset and very angry, and now they feel this Queen of Wands has put an end to this connection. Now somebody is feeling very foolish about whatever has happened. Death in reverse. What's this death in death upright? Sorry. What's this death upright? What's this death card? Now somebody wants to transform. They want to make a decision. They feel, but they're feeling they may not get a second chance. Yes, there's a lot of depression. There's a lot of depression. They have made their decision. They have made their choice. I have the King of Cups up once again. This King of Cups has always hidden their feelings. They never accepted or gave an offer. Now they are in deep depression. They're in deep depression because they feel they will never get a second chance again. They want it. They want to transform this connection now. But they're right now feeling judged. They feel like having some kind of bad luck or something. They know where their happiness lies. They know who they want, but they never invested. They never really put in the time or effort in the past. Now, this King of Cups wants to come and heal this connection. They want to make things right. They want to find their happiness once again. But the problem here, Pisces, is now I think this feminine here, the Nine of Pentacles person has their barriers up. Big time. So, Nine of Wands, Spirit. Nine of Wands. Nine of Wands, Nine of Wands, Nine of Wands. Somebody wants to communicate now. They want to get through this barrier that's in front of them. They want to pierce through this barrier and enter. It's almost like that. They want to tell whoever's put this barrier up, can you please drop it now? Can you please let go of that old baggage now? They want to come and speak their truth. Whatever they've been hiding till now, they want to come and speak it out. They don't want to keep any more secrets. All they want is somehow to kind of communicate to this person who's got all these wands in front of them. Can you please let it down? Let's just drop this now. And they want to come and I think express that they're very sorry about whatever's happened. Yes, they feel really bad that they could have cheated in the past, they could have lied in the past. They want to come and talk about why they haven't spoken for so long, why they haven't messaged for so long, and also that they are deeply unhappy as well. King of Cups, now finally you have the mic. King of Cups, once again. What is it that you want to say here? King of Cups. What do you want to say? Ooh. Oh. Oh my God. All right. Should I tell you, Pisces, already? This King of Cups wants to propose. Four of Wands. You heard me. I just asked this King of Cups, what do you want to say? And immediately the Four of Wands popped out. They want a happily ever after. What else? One card is not enough for you, King of Cups. What else do you want? What else do you want to say to us? Okay. 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 All right. So this King of Cups is telling me, Omkara Tarot, please tell my feminine that let's just drop this back and forth. I'm ready to do it. I don't want to juggle anymore. I don't want to be left out by this person. I'm feeling very abandoned, left out in the cold. Yes, I was very immature. I was foolish. And I am so embarrassed about my own actions that I don't know how to face my person. I feel like a child compared to this Nine of Pentacles energy. I know I've been very immature. I haven't done the right thing and I'm very embarrassed, very ashamed. And I'm also now reaping the bad karma of being left out and abandoned. I have made my choice. I've made my decision. I'm not going to juggle. I'm not going to go back and forth anymore. All I want is this now. I want to offer my cup of love. I have a lot of love here. All right, so world card in reverse. Why should we leave you out? What is this, Spirit? Why is the world card in reverse? Yeah, somebody wants to rebuild. Somebody wants to rebuild with their empress who they feel who they've hurt very badly. They don't want this, even though there's been some delay in them coming back, they don't want this empress to be single. They are a bit confused, I would say. They are a bit confused as to how to make this right now, how to end this conflict, how to find peace again. But what they basically want is they don't want this empress to be single either. They know that this empress probably has a lot of admirers or suitors, and they are kind of dreading that. So this King of Cups, let's see if they do come, and it's totally up to the feminine if you want them back, not want them back, because I do see a lot of options opening up in front of you as well. Okay, so take your pick. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste, Pisces.